Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making an basic jet fighter. For that we will have to first import a cylinder into our work plane and turn it into 90 sorry my bad and turn it into 90 degrees angle and extend the length and breadth a little bit and then import a cone into our work plane and again 90 degrees. Let me make it perfect. Yes, and 90 degrees and just take it a little bit back and connect it and extend the breadth of it, perfectly matching with the cylinder, just like this. And let's make this perfect. 32. And here we go. This is very perfect right now, and we have to click on the cylinder and change its color into black. And as we can see, our basic body is ready. And now we have to select both objects by right clicking and dragging and control G or grouping them. And for other color looks, I'll be choosing multicolor mode. And let's drag the object over here. It's time to make the back funnel. For that we would again take one more cone and rotate it into 90 degrees. Oops. My bad. Let me do that. And we will perfectly align the cone with the cylinder. And let's see. Let's take the cone into the air. And decrease the height a little bit. No. You can decrease the height of the cone or increase it. It's upon you. And we will perfectly align the cone. Like this. And before grouping that, we would change the color of the cone into red, as red looks much better in this type of body, and we will group it. And remember, I have the multicolor mode on. And let's take our basic body away. And now for the wings. And remember guys, this is the main part. Those who want to do tinkering of basic model of how to build an basic jet fighter, you have to watch this. This is the main part. The first part is to click on all and go into 13th page. As we can see, after some time the image will get loaded. Yep, as we can see this image we will have to drag it in our work plane 2. Yes, and we will take them aside for a moment and we will bring our basic plane body and drag the wing plane and like this and give it a perfect align. 180 and just align and just align with it 90 degrees. Yes, perfect. Now we have to join this with the plane and increase the length to 60. You can extend it much further also, but 60 is just perfectly right for this type of plane build. And we will perfectly align it and duplicate it. For duplication I will use Ctrl D and I'll move the duplicated part right here and I'll flip it. Yes, as we can see it is clearly visible and perfectly aligned in shape. And then what we have to do is we have to just group all the objects. Yes, I know that the plane is not yet done. And wait, what happens next? Then the next step is to use the second wing which I have imported like this and like this into 90 degrees. Yes, now we will have to bring it and perfectly align with the plane's basic body as this will act as the direction changer. Yep. Okay, now it's perfectly right and let me just quickly group it near the back portion of the plane and white. Yes, perfect. We will again do the same like duplicating them, etc. and etc. like this. And flipping. Yes, like this. And then moving it and joining it with the plane. And then we have to group everything once again. and then we have to import another wing, just like it. Wait a minute. Yes, perfect. And we have to increase the height, and we have to align it with the plane. And change the direction to 90. Yes, done. Now we have to decrease the height like this, and we have to perfectly align it, and we have to tilt it a little bit. Yeah, something like this, and we have to move it like this, like this. And after doing this, we have to once again duplicate it. Let's quickly duplicate that, and once again we will flip it. No, wait. Oh, yes, and we will flip it, and yes, here we go. We have a perfectly aligned basic plane. We have to quickly group it. And now for the final stage. This is very important. We have to go to the basic shape option, and we have to take a sphere. Let me just quickly look for it. Sphere. Yes, we have got the sphere, and turn the sphere into white color. Drag it a little bit, increase the size, and increase the height from the ground, and align it, and decreasing the height like this, and increasing the breadth like it, and perfectly aligning with the plane. Yes, and we have to decrease the height, and change the angle to 10. And now we will change the angle to -5. And we will perfectly align the upper shield with the plane like that. And doing that, by which we will group it, and see, we have a perfect plane aligned over here. Isn't that amazing? A perfectly basic plane, so easy. I hope you liked my video and thank you. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell button to get more notifications like this.